What a dork.
What are you doing now?
Shoes.
Put on your shoes?
Lakaw, kita. Lakaw man ta, diba? Ito talagro.
No sabi.
You said we're gonna go in Lagro, right?
Yes.
That's why.
Oh, sounds good.
Ikaw kayo, ready naman ka. Kung shoes, shoes ko.
I guess that means you're putting on your shoes.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not putting my shoes. Okay.
What are you doing if you're not putting on your shoes?
Lakaw na kung tinahin. Yan.
Yeah, sure.
Sabi ko. Woo! Okay, ready na ko. Na 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 na. Crazy. Number one, baby. Honey, you ready na?
Yes, almost.
Oops. Nagtakin siya sa iyang kwan. I don't wanna Okay, nagtakin na siya. Lakaw ng hot. Ayaw, ana. Kara, no. Di na ako tumainit. Sige, sige, tara. You ready na? My handsome.
Do I look ready?
You're handsome. My handsome.
I already knew that.
Yeah, we're ready na. Bye-bye. We're ready na.
Adios, amigos.